And like I was saying, with far as your credit, the rebuilding part of it, if your payment history, when you looking at your report, like everybody should be checking their credit report regularly, right? So if you going through this and you know you need help with your credit, you need to start educating yourself about it. So pull up your credit report, look at it, look at your payment histories, right? If it's not 100%, look and see which account you was late on. My problem is if you got closed accounts, that is perfect, right? It's better because now you got a better chance of getting that account taken off. But if you got five accounts and they all open, you got five open accounts, right? And you got 10 missed payment, five missed payment from each one of them. It's a waiting game. I'm gonna just be real for you. You got to wait that out because the chances of you getting all of those late payment removed off an open account is gonna be real slim. So your best bet, you looking at least a year out. But you gotta from that point on, you can't be making no more late payments. So you gotta have 12 months, at least 12 months of on time payment. So it's not bank. Here's the thing about the banks, right? I filed bankruptcy twice. I called the bank yesterday on a Bank of America business card I have. They had an old when you log in online, you know how you see the last four of account. It was a number there that said mortgage line of credit or something. I'm like, what? I don't have a line of credit with this bank. So I called them up and they said, oh, that was from 2007, where it was a charge off. They still had, even though it's not on my credit, um, it's not reported nowhere. They still keep a record. And it's like they put it there to show me, even though I got, I'm doing business with them now or whatever you know, with credit card business and all that business cards. They still wanted me to know that we ain't forgot about that. You know what I mean? It was like $5,000 or something. I don't know, but I put in the bankruptcy, so they did a charge off, and it still now show up on my account when I log in for Bank of America. So that's what with. They don't forget. They don't forget that you ran it up, and and they're gonna take a while to build that relationship back up. So, like I tell you, the banks are built off of relationships. So you just got to build a relationship, paying your bills on time. And the credit unions, some of the credit unions don't even care about your score. It's like I said, based off relationship.